This morning we were just doing the repair on the fence, so if the cows decided to get through that little hot wire that we put up, that there would be something to keep them in. Good afternoon, everybody. It's raining outside, so we couldn't do much work outside. So we decided to come in and do some mechanic work on our 3020. Right now we're getting a new rear end and taking the old one off because it is messed up and it doesn't have the ability to go in reverse, and we haven't figured that out yet. So we're just taking this old rear end off and putting a new one on. We're changing the old alternator onto this one-wire alternator right here. Right there's the old alternator. The old alternator was running 24 volts, and now we're putting in one that runs 12 volts. Because we don't like running the 24 volt system on our tractors. They cause too much trouble when you're using them. Right here, we were going to pick up one of our horses from one of our buddies' farms where she had been for a couple of months now.